Hello everyone, welcome. This is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. As you can see from the title, what we're going to be doing today is looking at Groovepad music and beatmaker app. This app is available on Android and iOS and you're going to become a DJ with this app with Groovepad. So you can bring your musical dreams to life and make groovy, smooth sounding music easily. And this beat making app will teach you to create your own songs and play different music tracks. So let's get to our app. As you can see, these are the things that has been created by other people also. You can listen to them, but for you to be able to listen to them, I'm assuming that you have to be premium. Or as you can see from here, we're going to be able to create our first record. So let's get to it and see how to do it. Before actually getting there, and you can get a drum pad machine, play beats like a pro. You can unlock the old sounds because we're not going to be able to get it actually because we're not signed in even yet. And you can actually see there, we can actually use the free trial before upgrading to Pro. So I'm letting you guys know, if you like this app, go and launch it. So let's see how we're gonna do it. We're gonna click this plus, and really I don't like. So before recording, right, what we can do, now it started recording, but I'm not gonna save it. Before recording, let's see what's here, right? Let's see what we're playing with. Okay. Let's see these ones too. Okay, I guess we're kind of
make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove.
I like this.
Make it move, make it groove.
Make it move, make it groove.
Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove.
I'm gonna remove that one.
Make it move, make it.
So as you can see, that we kind of understood what we're doing here right now. At least I did. I can't speak. So what we're gonna do, I think, is we can hold this. What happens when we hold it? I guess it keeps. Okay, I got it. So what we're gonna do, let's assume that we're recording, right? It's like when we click on it, it is playing, right? If you're holding it, it's not gonna keep playing it. And after you think it's okay, you can edit the other one on top. And from here we can pause it. I think, yeah. So what I have, from here you can only choose one from every color. As you can see, you can choose one, but when you're I would like to record something, to be honest, but I'm not sure if something very nice would come out, so I'm kind of thinking about it. But okay, let's give it a try. Hold on. I really like these keys, but I couldn't understand some of these ones. Okay. 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 I know. Let's give it a try. These two was totally not needed.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
Let's save it. Let's see what kind of mess we just made. Let's see. So right now, as you can see, when we click my music, that's what we're gonna. This is the mess we just made. So let's see.
Bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
Okay, for the first try, I think it was okay because this is also my first time trying this app, so I think it is okay. It just needs to be worked on a little bit, a little. Okay, it needs to be worked on, but at least what we have learned here. I mean, okay, we have to know all of it actually one by one, if you ask me, before trying, but I just wanted to show you guys too how to do it, so that's why it didn't turn out the best way, but it could have been better, I know. So this is how you do it. Let's assume that we would like to share this with someone. This is where you click, you see these three vertical dots, or you might want to rename it, or you just want to delete it. You think it was just not okay, so you can actually go and delete this. That's what I'm gonna do, at least right now. So this is how you use it, and this is from here, recently played. You can actually, if you have played these tracks that I showed you here, these beats, you can see them, the things that you have played, or maybe you want to play it again, so, and this was the ones that we have using. The it's like all of them has their own thing. I don't know how to tell. Like the beats are actually, for example, this one was modern rap, but it can be dubstep, drum and bass, chill, or other. That's all up to you, that which one you would like to use. So if you want to create another one, that's what you're gonna do. Just click here. If you guys have any questions, or maybe you like mine, just comment. I'll know what you're thinking at least. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments too. And if you like this video, go give it thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because we're gonna keep coming back with way good, better apps every day. So go hit that button too, so I can see you guys in my next video and you can see my next video.